Hey guys, it's Kay. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to tackle the inside of my car. Now, I leave the outside of my car to the cleaning professionals, but the inside of my car I clean a few times a year, and I want it to be nice and fresh for the new season. So the first thing I do is take out all of the little plush floor mats I have. I have some rubber floor mats for winter, but since it was spring, I suppose, I put the regular floor mats down. Now the front floor mat on the driver's side is so hard to get out. The challenge, the struggle was real. After I took the carpets out, I did shake them on the street to let loose any dirt that was in there. So when I went in with my vacuum, this is my handheld vacuum from Dyson, I didn't really have to do very much. I just vacuumed up some stuff that was stuck in the carpets, and it didn't really take me a long time at all because I did such a good job shaking them out. Before I put the carpets back in, I made sure to go in with my Dyson and get all the rest of the dirt and stuff that was in the front seat and all over the floor out. Look at the rocks that were back there. I don't know if it was like from the dog, but you know what? I think it's dog park action. Dogs will change your life, man. They'll bring in all the dirt and you'll bring in all the dirt too. So I really went in with my crevice tool with my Dyson 44 Animal. You know what? Update on that. I actually fixed that vacuum by buying a new battery. I will update you in another vlog, but just to let you know, it's fixed. Anyway, I went in between my seats and on the sides of my seats to make sure I got all the dirt there as well. You'd be surprised exactly how much dirt is hiding there. I was actually shocked, and this is what my cyclone looked like after I was done. It was gross. And never forget to check underneath the seats when you clean your car. You never know how much change you'll find under there. I found at least like 30 cents, and you know, that's a few gumballs. So I decided to put the carpets back after I had done all of my vacuuming, and then I decided to empty my car trash. A car trash bin is a really good investment, especially if you have kids or pets or are cleaning your hands often. I just have that from the brand High Road, and I just emptied the trash into a trash bag and it was ready to go. Next, I wanted to go for the leather upholstery in my car. I wanted to use this leather care kit from Lexol. Lexol is a brand I've actually been using a long time, and I love their products. So I saw this at Target and I was like, you know what, let me give this a try. And it's kind of cool. It comes with these little sponges, and one is for cleaning and one is for conditioning. So first, I wanted to go for the cleaning part of it, and I was just going to town because my dog jumps all over the back seats when he has muddy paws, and it was just a disaster back there. So I was going crazy trying to clean this up. It did a pretty good job, actually. Of course, if you have an upholstered interior, you're going to want to use different cleaner. I'll link one down below that I like very much that we use for our Toyota Corolla, which of course has upholstered interior. Because I have that little butt cushion in the driver's seat, I was going extra mad in the driver's seat trying to get those black stains off, but alas, I could not get them off. After that, I went in with the leather conditioner to get the leather nice and soft and keep it very supple. And it's time for the butt cushion to go back. This is actually a hand-me-down from my dad. My dad loves these cushions, and every car he's had has had one of these, and he is the one that handed me down this car. And I feel like this is a little piece of him in my car every day. It's so sweet. I love it. I also went in and vacuumed the side. I guess these are like door pockets, I guess they're called. So they had quite a bit of dirt in them as well. So when you're cleaning, do not neglect these areas. Next, I went in with some Meguiar's interior cleaner and a microfiber cloth. That's important because if you don't use a microfiber cloth and you use like paper towel, or if you use those wipes, you can leave like streaks all over your car, and it's super ugly and annoying. So I always like to use a microfiber cloth to go to town and get up all of those stains. It's easy to miss these areas, but areas that are like little pockets on the floor often collect the most dirt and grime and are the most disgusting. So make sure you go in all of those like little crevices. I went back there with my vacuum because I saw there was some more rocks from the dog park. Oh, we love the dog park. And I just wanted to make sure that I got all the stains from in there because it was really gross. I also went to town on my dashboard because it had acquired quite a bit of dust and grime. You know, you're putting your fingers on there all the time. Your fingers aren't always clean, so it's time to go in there and freshen it up. Now, because Clover is in the back seat, he like breathes all over the back window when he looks out the window. So I just have some water here and a microfiber cloth with a really tiny weave. So like really fine weave, and that's made specially to clean glass and to not leave streaks on glass. So all you need is some water and a little bit of elbow grease, and all of those little doggy drool breath marks came right off. And of course, I didn't forget about Mr. Clover's seat either. I gave his seat a good little vacuum because it had acquired quite a bit of hair in it and dirt as well. Okay, since my car's nice and clean, we'll do a quick what's in my car tour. You guys saw this fun little seat that my dad gave me. I love it so much. It's like squishy and feels good on my butt, so I love this guy. In my little container here, I just have, this is change for parking, and I've got tissues, got some wet ones, always have these for hand wipes just in case I need to be eating something, or like if I, you know what, these are great if you pump gas because the gas pumps are so gross, like yuck. Got some sanitary products in here just in case I am caught unawares, and also some deodorant because you never know. And also because you never know, I've got Lactaid. You know, you never know where you're gonna like accidentally come into some cheese. So I've got all that stuff in there, and that's like my for emergency stuff. I also have a couple pencils in here because musician life, you just have to have pencils. So there's a quarter I found like total of like 28 cents. So I'm gonna put that quarter in there later. And how cute is this? It's a car coaster apparently. My mother-in-law gave this to me. Adorable. So that's that. But in the backside pockets, I do have some leather automotive wipes and some disinfecting wipes. This is my car trash can, and where it sits, it velcros to the floor so it doesn't move around at all. See, it's like velcroed. So it has a little top, but I never use the top. I just throw trash in there when I'm, you know, driving, and I can just empty it from time to time. It's really nice. It has a leak-proof bottom, so you don't have to worry about anything spilling in there. There's Clover's seat. It always stays in here. It's a little booster seat because the bean. And on the passenger side here, I've got some cleaning automotive wipes just in case, and a travel umbrella because you never know. The glove compartment isn't very interesting. It's just where the registration is and the instruction manual for my car. I have had to look at this a couple of times. Got some band-aids here just in case. A shopping bag just in case I forget to take shopping bags with me on a trip. It's a little tiny shopping bag, and it has its own little carrying case, which is adorable. And here's some more change. So, oh, and this is like a, I think this is for the tires. It's like a tire gauge thing. Anyway, that's what's in the glove compartment. Altogether, my cleaning routine took me about an hour, and I was really happy with the results of my cleaning car routine because my car was clean and smelled fresh on the inside, and afterward I was super happy. I did an amazing happy dance. If you guys like cleaning videos, organizing videos, and cute pets, just subscribe to my channel and press the bell to get notifications, and you'll never miss a single video. Thanks for watching. Bye.